Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha, Minister wa andu ethi Sicily Kariuki ni arekereirie riboti ya igina cia uwezo na cia atumia, akiuga ni mahurite njeki.
Is far from over. We've come this far. The direction is right. The speed is right. The intentions are good, but we still have a long way to go before we can cover issues of gender equality and women empowerment.
Kuhetokira thirikari, atumia ni magunikite na makiria ma tenda 24 cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 26, na ukiringithania na hau kabere atumia ni maingirite ikundi-ini niguo kugunika na igina icio.
Under the Uwezo Fund, we have dispersed upwards of 5.2 billion shillings, while under the AGPO, we have served over 24,000 tenders.
Igite kuma mwaka wa 2013 atumia makiria ma mirioni 1 na muigana ta ucio wa andu ethi nio meyumiritie niguo kugunika na igina icio.
Under the Women Enterprise Fund, we have invested upwards of 9 billion shillings since inception. We have covered upwards of 1 million women through this facility. For the Youth Enterprise Fund, we have disbursed upwards of 12 billion shillings. We have covered close to 1 million young people.
Kariuki ni ahinyireirie andu ethi meyumirie niguo magunike na igina cia thirikari nene, undu umwe na cia thirikari cia county niguo megacirithie. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.